Uh-huh. Well,
You can get
like,
nuts for anything.
it's gonna be edited, so it's not getting
Also,
live
it'll be your
streamed.
fault.
Sure. I think I'm pretty good with knowing what's acceptable or not. You know what I mean?
These legs weren't made for
Yeah, yeah.
walking.
Is that like a new skin though?
I don't know, it's pretty cool.
And then also like I'm very open about my bowels.
Uh-huh.
What if I go on a tangent about my bowels?
I mean, it's, it's talk with the boys, that's acceptable.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear. I forgot something else because like I'm not gonna talk about that.
I love this part.
One team? Yep. Gonna land here.
Got our first worm food, compadres.
Where about? Take it.
Yeah, I just could drop. Oh wait, do you want it? I have no,
That's fine.
dropped it. They're here.
Okay, go on. There you go.
Yeah, they're in this building. One has blue.
I also have blue.
Oh, on me. Both have blue. They both have blue. This guy's low.
Throwing thermite.
He's one shot. He's one shot. He sucks. He's one shot. He's one shot. Nice. The other guy's over here.
Downed one. Don't cut out.
I kill him without the flash.
Reload. New kill leader. Show off. Down that one.
He was healing.
That's the last of them, amigos. Booyah! Can't feel them standing
Let's go.
still. You're lucky. I like you.
He had a gold heal thing. Shield.
What?
A shield? One of the gold shields?
Shielder.
Shield.
The picture.
What I'm talking about? The one that he can revive?
Oh, knockdown.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. Yeah, I see how you're confused. Dang. Ooh. I don't need that.
Ring moving now. Rápidamente.
Oh, so much ammo. I don't wanna not take it. Wop. Jump back. Here.
Let's go over here.
That's where. The syringes. Oh! Here you go.
Right here.
It's gold.
Already got it. Oh, a gold repeater?
Yep.
Oh.
Half the squad's gone. I'm not satisfied yet.
I'm just shooting. Yeesh. You ready? Ready to dip?
Here.
Throwing jump pad.
Oh, pause. I can get it myself. I do it again. Let's go. Got my big purple. Big dog. Circle's coming in. Hold on, just hold. Oh, look at my skin, by the way. With a gun.
No.
With a gun.
Oh yeah, everyone has that.
Oh, okay, dude. Hold on.
Yeah, cool.
He's on. Yeah, he's broken shield.
Got one. Behind you by a bit. Remember the ult runs out. Don't push too far.
Dead. I ran out. Running back.
157.
Little cucarachas.
Okay, I'm looking at the ones closest to us.
I'm getting sniped from somewhere else.
All right, come inside. We can honestly try and get over there.
Got trouble.
Ready?
No, I'm healing.
Oh.
There's another team this way.
I know. That's what I'm saying. We're gonna try and get away, like completely away from them.
Go where? Go
Oh,
where?
they're pushing now. They're pushing now. No. I hit him. He's so low. He's actually so low. Alright, look. Follow me. Come, get out of here.
There's people over here.
I know. But there's two teams. We're gonna get caught in between that. Alright, now they gotta come to us.
Get closer here.
Guess I'll run in circles for fun.
He's to the right. He's gonna flank you. He's in the front.
One down.
Down that one.
There's people behind us.
Attention.
He went in that door. Yeah.
He's really low.
I got him.
Nice.
He's dead.
Yeah. Oh, cool. I'm the squad leader.
People here.
Getting help.
I'm healing, dude.
He's low.
Oh, he's right here. He's super dead. He's super low. Got him.
There's another guy on me.
I'm going around. I'm super low, but I'm gonna push this. He's broken shields. He's going for you. He's upstairs now.
Oh, no,
You're not healing.
I'm gonna die.
Let's push this house.
I'd do a solo if he's hiding.
Round 4. Beginning
On top?
ring countdown.
Nothing.
Oh, you're on top. Whew. Just gonna rotate, try and find something, see something, hear something. Oh God, where are they at?
Warning. Ring closing.
Behind me. I think. Oh, I see him.
Is it just one or two?
This way. I don't know. Gonna ult.
Keep pushing it.
Right next to me, right next to me.
Listen to the shadows. Getting shot.
There's two, there's two.
Are they on top or the
I
bottom?
them both for shields. Right here, right here.
Oh, I see them. I hit any of them.
Alright, they killed me,
Jesus.
they killed me. Careful.
Yeah.
Can I heal real quick? They have to come to us.
Yep.
Oh, can I go on the outside?
Oh look, they're here, they're here. I'm going around.
Over there.
Oh shoot.
Got bad guys over there. Charging up my shields.
Scramble. Grenade incoming.
Now they have the high ground. That's so weird.
Beginning ring countdown.
We have to push this way.
Skin suits are here. Taking fire. Recharging shield.
He's on one. Holy shit.
They don't see me.
Be my shield, skin bag. I'm healing.
Can you hear them?
Yeah.
Are they pushing me?
I don't think so. They still sound right above me.
Oh yeah, yeah, one's right here.
Opening fire.
One's here, the cracked.
We're all outside the ring. Can't kill it. Set you up real good. Reloading.
They both fell, they both fell. They're all on me, they're on me! I got one. I need help, I need help! He's here. He's gonna res. No, he's not.
Let's go. And I'm the killer. The killer leader, whatever. I hate that.
You are the Apex champions.
Hold on, let me go tell Daniel. Here he's looking at an Apex champion. I killed A. We killed A. Shoot. I may say. If you somehow made it to the end of the video, you should definitely hit the like button. All this was pulled straight from my stream, twitch.tv/TheRealMiggySmalls. The link will be in the description. But yeah, have a good day.